Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how my day goes during the Ramadan fasting time. Uh, I came to a nursery to buy some vegetable plants, and so I was so mesmerized by looking at all the flowers that has grown in the nursery. It's so beautiful to go around all the plants, and there are so many greenhouses in the nursery, and so I was going in and out of the greenhouses to check for some plants that I want to buy. I'm thinking of buying a brinjal plant, then serrano pepper, then these are some ground coverings that I already have in my garden. This is a greenhouse, and there are along with some tomato plants, there are so many flowering plants that are there in the nursery. It's a beautiful nursery. It's not so expensive, but it's so beautiful. We get so many different varieties. Then I bought some plants, and then I started cooking when I got back home. This is a Kerala fish curry that I made using salmon pieces. Then this is for the chicken tacos that I'm going to make for iftar. Usually I cook in the morning itself so that I can finish my cooking, so that I won't be busy during the iftar time. I can have some time for myself. Then as the cooking is going on, I did some workout. That's what my daily routine goes. I do some workouts, either it will be HIIT or kickboxing, so it goes on. Then when my kids came back home, they helped me in cleaning the house, as it was a little bit messy, because after we came back from our India trip, it was a little bit messy. So that's why my kids also helped me. My daughter, she loves to clean, so she helped me a lot. Then this is how it went. This is my daughter's duty to keep the garbage bins inside, so that's what she's doing now. I continued with my cooking. In the evening after breaking the fast, it's a habit for us to have a little bit of coffee. So I prepare the coffee in the filter. I just add hot water to the coffee powder and just keep it for some time so that it will brew very well. So we love to have this coffee in the evening, so it's ready. Here I am cutting some onions, tomatoes, and opening a can of beans. These all are for the chicken tacos. And then I'm thinking of making some Mysore bonda, that is made with potato balls that is dipped in the batter. This is the batter that I'm making for the Mysore bonda, and this is how it is fried in oil. Once it is ready, we can drain it on kitchen towels to remove the excess oil. Now this is for the prawns pakoda. Just a little bit of everything I will be making. Some fried and some baked items will be there on the iftar table. That's what I will be making every day. As the time is nearing to break the fast, we started assembling the tacos. We are using hard shells for these, and there are soft shell tacos also. So we will be arranging everything and then add some cheese, and will bake for some time so that the cheese will melt, and it tastes amazing after that. So this is how our iftar table looks like, with all the dishes that I made in the morning. There is this Mysore bonda, prawns pakoda. Then so we break the fast, and we started eating all the dishes slowly, and then we have to do the prayers. So before that, for 5 minutes, we will have some things that is on the table. Everybody together as a family we eat, even though my son, he doesn't have fasting, he also sits with us and he also share the iftar meals. It's coffee time. As the kids are asleep, I started making the coffee. If you like my video, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Take care. Bye bye.